Hi, my name is Murphy Perng. I'm a certified wine consultant and the founder of Matter of Wine, a business that produces educational wine events. In this video, we are going to teach you how to properly drink a glass of wine. Once you select your bottle, open it, pour it, and swirl it before you get to drinking it. First, select your wine opener and open your bottle. My go-to opener is the basic waiter-style corkscrew, because it gives you the most control over the worm, which is the curved metal helix. This control comes in handy when you are removing older corks and need to be more gentle. To open your wine, cut around the aluminum cap below the lip of the bottle. Insert the worm into the center of the cork and rotate the corkscrew into the cork. Draw the cork out with your lever and wipe the neck of the bottle with a clean cloth to remove any sediment. Holding the neck of the bottle above your wine glass, tilt the bottle gently past 90 degrees until a steady stream of wine pours out. When you're nearly done with your pour, rotate the bottom of your bottle away from you to catch any would-be droplets of wine. A standard pour is about 5 to 6 ounces. This can be done in many different ways, but I like to place the bottom of the stem of my glass between my pointer finger and thumb, lift my glass above the tabletop, and move the wine gently in a counterclockwise direction. Swirling is important because newly opened bottles may be a little tight-lipped. When you swirl, more of the wine surface area comes into contact with the air. The wine will open up. Alcohol will evaporate off the wine, lifting its aromas into the air and making it easier for you to smell. Now for my favorite part, drinking the wine. You can gulp it down like a juice, or you can really relish in your wine drinking experience by thinking through 3 things: sight, smell, and taste. Keep the wine grape variety in mind as you enjoy your wine. Say you have your well-swirled glass right in front of you. In a well-lit area, lift it up and hold it against a white napkin to best observe its color. Broadly speaking, the color may clue you in on a few things, including the age and the texture of the wine. White wines are generally a lemon or lemon green color, while red wines are generally purple or ruby. White or red wines that are browning have a few years of age on them. While most wines have great clarity, wines that are hazy or have sediment in them may have a fuller body and weightier mouthfeel. Up next is smell. Lift the rim of your glass up to your nose. Swirl the glass so the aromas lift upwards and take a deep breath in as you do. Try to pick out wine aromas that may fit into one of the following 6 categories: fruits, florals, vegetals, spices, minerality, and oak-imparted aromas. Not sure how to begin naming what you're smelling? Start with the wine's color. Generally speaking, a white wine is more likely to smell of fruits with similar colors, such as lemons, pears, and oranges. In the same vein, red wines are more likely to smell of raspberries, strawberries, and cherries. Lastly, we have taste. Hold your wine glass up to your lips. Drink a sip of wine and swirl it around your mouth for a few seconds, coating the roof of your mouth and your whole tongue. Think through the same categories you did when trying to pick out the aromas in a wine. One tip I give to my students is, really pay attention to the spice category here. Spices are easier to taste than to smell. Oftentimes, the aromas on your nose will be similar to the flavors on your tongue. Grape varieties tend to exhibit certain aromas and flavors and be known to have certain elements. As you taste, also consider the different elements of a wine. Is it dry or sweet? Light or full-bodied? Low or high in acidity, tannin, and alcohol? Does it have a short or long finish? Do this with each of the international wine varieties I recommended, and you'll be well on your way to understanding wine.